we go. What you got here, Eric?
Slammer, big bore, white gloss shift knob.
Shikes. So how's the weight? He said, I know it's pretty.
That feels pretty heavy for a shift knob. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh shoot. All right, well, let's see what we got here. This is, what the brand of this?
Raceseng.
Hope he's not the Raceseng, huh? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to get one for the fit. Maybe. I don't know.
See how to open it.
Hope he's not the Raceseng, huh?
There it goes.
Huh. Okay.
Your adapter.
Okay, so that goes on there. No. Uh-oh, here we go. Look at that thing.
You feel that?
Do I? Should I? Good Lord, what? That's just gonna shift itself.
Now I see why it's so expensive.
Holy crap. What's the weight of that thing? Damn. So that's a slammer.
This is supposedly like, I think, 1.5 pounds.
Good
Or
night.
1.2 pounds.
Wow. And you got plain, no etching?
Just that gloss white, man.
Damn, Daniel. Whoa. Whoa. Look at that. All right.
I'm impressed.
Are you happy so far?
I'm very impressed with this company already. I'm
Now-
not even trying it out yet.
Oh, dude, that's some serious weight though. Seriously.
And the Ashiko is heavier than this one. Like by 1/2 pound heavier.
God, the cupcake one that I like.
Yeah.
Damn.
The one you're gonna get.
We'll see about that.
Oh man, I'm excited.
All right. Are we installing this right now? Or?
Yeah.
Oh, alrighty. Hope it's not the Raceseng, huh? Coming a long ways.
Got my AWE decal.
Oh. Yeah. That thing goes hard in the paint.
Alright.
Ooh.
Where should we put it?
I mean, I guess wherever it will fit.
I'd like to put it this direction, but I'm running out of room.
Yeah, you are running out of room.
For a big decal I am, at least.
Yeah.
I could put it here. Probably.
Yeah, maybe it'll be a tight fit.
It's okay if we touch.
They gonna touch. Oh, it might be close. I don't know. Maybe it won't. Huh.
That'll work.
Huh. Like that. Slicky. Huh. Sick. Yes. Of course, you gotta have your gin.
Alright.
Woo! Look at that thing. Stay puffed. You have to do anything on the reverse lockout thing?
I don't think so.
Okay, just stays down. Oh! Alright, and remove the horse.
Feel the difference, or see the difference and feel it.
Can you tell? I bet you can tell.
Oh
the
my
difference.
God! Feel this.
This guy said, "Oh my God, that's pretty. Got a good weight." Oh Lord, have mercy.
Yeah, this has a good weight for being so little.
That's what she
Actually.
said.
All right, so
They give you Allen key with that joint?
now I have to grab one of the tool
Oh.
chests. Think you spin this all the way down?
I suppose it's so.
And then I think you put a wrench on here and you can tighten it.
Or you probably don't even need a wrench, right?
Oh yeah, to make this tight.
Oh.
And then this is separate.
So you got to tighten that first with the wrench?
Yeah, so I got to get an open end wrench to tighten that.
Good night. This thing's going to shift itself.
You got a guess on the size?
What's that?
You got a guess on the size?
I want to say 12 or I want to say 10 or 12.
I think it's bigger than 10. I'm thinking, you want to try 12? All right.
Yeah, 12 or 13 then.
Here's a 12.
Probably 13 or 14. All right, you remove the horse?
That's it.
Oh, it's a 15?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Remove the horse. Ooh.
Okay.
Ooh.
That shouldn't go anywhere.
Yeah, I don't think so. That's a lot of torque you put in there.
And you adjust this accordingly, I think, with
It's Allen key.
Yeah, with how low you want it to sit with this to work.
Yeah.
4 millimeter.
4 milliliters. So do you want to screw it on first, see where it sits, or does it have to go in a certain amount?
Probably a little bit. I'll at least do it. Get that blue Loctite to go some. Oh, shit.
This guy did the Mia. Oh shit. Aye. Oh, I guess you don't even need it because you don't have any numbers anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Right, that's what I was saying. As long as it's tight. Let me see.
You bastard. Oh, you bastard.
So then you just make it tight.
You don't
make
even
sure
need
it'll
to.
still go all the way up. So I'll test it out. We'll start the car up and make sure it goes in reverse okay, I guess. It's got the tools. Damn. Wondered if I guess it's not too low. Well, you just want to make sure this can go all the way up. Yeah, I think that's pretty spot on.
Right on. Oh. Ouch.
As long as it goes into reverse, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, cold start. You finally get to.
Good Lord. Good. This guy's flicking it around.
Try it out. I got the clutch in.
Whoa. Dude, that's... Shoo!
White. I kind of like it just plain.
Oh, yeah. Damn, bro.
Well, that's it. Shift knob installed.
Nice.
Reverse works. No problem. No clicking.
Yeah. Wiggly. Look at that thing. Freaking knobby. And this is a slammer.
Freaking Julio.
This guy got a slammer. This guy's bringing pogs back.
And then you can tuck it into bed.
Just put like a little face on here, put like 2 dots in a smiley face. Like a little ghost.
Yeah.
Sick. Damn, bro. Guy seems like a happy camper. What the price?
Oh, yeah.
How much did one of these run if someone's looking to get on this level?
I would say with shipping, you're probably looking at 150-ish, 160-ish.
Mm-hmm.
But well worth it. I can already tell I haven't even driven the car yet.
Yeah. Sick. Alright. Well, thanks for the install, player. Dang, look at that. This thing's waking up. Getting the stang nice and fresh. Erica's using Glaze. Hope it's not the glazing. Mirror wet finish. So using the wet mirror finish for the polish, Hydrosilex for the coating. Torque polish. Sun's coming out. This guy happy so far?
Yeah,
results?
really good.
Ah. The sun is coming back out.
Yeah.
Like that. Can't wait to put that exhaust video together, man. It's gonna be sick.
Oh yeah, it turned out amazing.
Except for the clay mitt starting to.
Yeah, but me flinging that pad. Other than that, call it a good day.
Yeah. Well, we didn't get to fully finish it, but what do you think about the combination so far? We did the Adam strip wash, mirror glaze from Chemical Guys, and then topped off with Hydrosilex.
Yeah, man, honestly, I couldn't be happier with the end result. Definitely an awesome brand.
Oxford White. So we didn't get to do the front bumper, and then we still had the rear bumper and then the quarter panel and door. Do you want to explain what happened?
Well, we were using the, what is it, the Chemical Guys torque polisher, and the pad kind of flung off onto the ground, so we didn't want a chance getting any debris on that thing. Put it back on the car.
So we paused, but it worked out good because
we got a lot done.
Yeah, but we got some Hydroslick on the tires, on the rubber, and then when you get a new pad in, you'll be finishing the rest. And so we're probably gonna take it out for a spin.
Yeah.
Yes.
Good.